Do you know which is the most viewed video on YouTube? Probably many of us have seen it. The baby shark video is the most viewed video with about 14 billion views, and this number is increasing every day. This video is 2 minutes long, and the reason for this high number of views is its audience. Yes, children are one of the main audiences of YouTube, so it can be said that making a video for this group can be a smart thing. Contrary to the fact that everyone thinks that making animation is very difficult, today, I want to teach you how to make a very beautiful animation in 5 minutes and in only 5 steps. This method is completely free, and I have tested every single problem. So feel free to watch the rest of the video and start making animations. First of all, I'll show you how to create your own story with AI assistance. Alternatively, if you prefer a simpler approach, I'll guide you on using a tool that handles the work for you. Just provide an idea and a story is born. Whether you're inclined to be creative or take it easy, stick around. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's dive into the method, the manual approach. If you've already got a story idea in mind, that's fantastic. Otherwise, we can turn to ChatGPT to generate some ideas for us. Simply type, "Provide me with 10 bedtime story ideas for kids," after accessing ChatGPT. If your target audience differs, feel free to substitute kids with whatever suits your needs. ChatGPT will supply the ideas, and here they are. You can see ChatGPT provides us with detailed information along with the ideas. Now pick one and start crafting a story around it. Today, to compose the story, I'll utilize another AI tool called TinyWow. TinyWow is a free-to-use AI writing tool, serving not just as a writing tool, but also as a versatile hub for content creators. You have access to various features here, including generating blogs, editing images and videos, converting file formats, and much more. To discover this remarkable platform, simply open a new tab on your browser and search for TinyWow. Once you get the search results, click on the first link. Upon reaching the TinyWow homepage, click on the link to create an account using your email. After successfully creating the account, the next step is to locate the Storywriter tool. Navigate to the search bar and type Story Generator. Once you've found the Story Generator tool, enter your story ID and provide as much data as possible. For tutorial purposes, I am pasting a story idea provided by ChatGPT. Then, select the number of paragraphs you wish to generate for your story. This time, I'm opting for 2 paragraphs to create a short story. If you prefer a longer narrative, simply select more paragraphs. After choosing the paragraph count, click the Generate button. As you can observe, the TinyWow story generator begins crafting our story, and honestly, it's quite impressive. I'm thrilled with the outcome. All right, our story is now ready. It's time to breathe life into it. For this, I'll employ another AI-powered tool known as app.artflow.ai. app.artflow is a versatile content generation tool where you can create images, videos, and much more. To access app.artflow, you can easily find the site link in the description. Upon reaching the app.artflow AI dashboard, navigate to the left side tool panel and click on the Sign Up button. Proceed to create an account. Once your account is set up, you'll receive 100 free credits every month. All right, let's proceed to the next step. Go back to the left panel and select Story Studio. Here, you'll find some sample stories that can inspire you to create your own. Click on New Story. On the next page, you'll encounter 2 options: Help me get a story and I have a story. If you want app.artflow to create a story for you, you can select the Help me get a story option. You can see how to make a video with the first method in my short videos. Since we already have a story, choose the second option. Once on this page, specify children's story as the story genre. Then, navigate to the story outline box and paste the story generated by TinyWow. After that, it's time to describe our characters in detail. If you're uncertain about the characters, return to ChatGPT and type, "Describe the characters in this story." Paste the story, and ChatGPT will furnish you with detailed character descriptions. Simply copy the description and paste it into the app.artflow characters description box. For multiple characters, click on Add another character and input their details. Once everything is set, click the Create the Story button. In the subsequent step, choose the aspect ratio of the story video. Since I aim to create a YouTube video, I'll opt for landscape or horizontal. Now, select the visual art style. There's a variety available such as realistic, cartoon, 3D, storybook, and more. Given children's fondness for cartoon videos, I'm selecting the 3D cartoon style. ArtFlow will then generate characters for our story, which may require some time. If you're dissatisfied with the characters, you can regenerate them by clicking on here, altering the character's prompt, and then hitting the Generate button. Once you're content with the characters, proceed by clicking on the Continue to Storyboard button. Here, ArtFlow has commenced crafting our story, and the storyboard is now ready. ArtFlow has generated images featuring our characters and background visuals, providing 2 images for each scene. You can choose to use one of them, or generate new images for any scene by clicking on the image icon. Next, select your character's activity and the background description. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button and it will produce 2 new images for you. Now let's focus on the narration. Click on the narration icon to access the narration text, which you can customize to your liking. After finalizing the narration, click on the Export button. ArtFlow will require some time to complete the process. Let's fast forward through this part. In the meantime, if you like the video so far, please like it. By subscribing to the channel, you can see our next videos, and by pressing the bell button, you can be among the first to see new videos. All right, our story is ready. Let's have a look.
In a forgotten forest, an inquisitive young soul stumbles upon an intriguing place. Among the foliage, a magical garden beckons with its secrets waiting to be unveiled. Discovering the fountain, a realization dawns upon the heart of the seeker.
As you can see, the sound of the video is not suitable for the story, and the background music is also inappropriate. So we have to pay attention to the video. First, we enter 11 Labs. I used this site in most of my videos. You can easily find the site link in the description. Now copy your story and paste it into the middle box of the page. Select Voices from the sidebar and click Voice Library. Select Narrative and Story from the menu on the top of the screen and from the Advanced Filters section. Set the options to Professional, Female, Middle-Aged, English, American, and select a calm and gentle voice from the available voices. And add it to your sounds. Now go back to the main page. Choose the sound you want and change its settings if needed, and finally press the Generate button. Now we enter CapCut. First, import the video prepared by ArtFlow. Then add the sound you made from 11 Labs. You can use the YouTube sound library for background music. As you can see, the ArtFlow logo can be seen at the top of the page. To remove it, you can increase the size of the image a little. The logo is easily removed from the frame. If you wish, you can use visual effects on your video, and now your final video is ready.
In the heart of a forgotten forest, there lies a hidden sanctuary, known as the Secret Garden of Whispers. Legend has it that the garden is home to a magical fountain that grants wishes to those who dare to seek it out. But the garden is not easily found, as it is shrouded in mystery and protected by enchantments that only the pure of heart can navigate. One day, a young girl named Alara stumbled upon the garden while wandering through the woods. Intrigued by the soft murmurs of the wind and the gentle rustling of the leaves, she followed the whispers until she reached the garden's entrance. As she stepped inside, she was greeted by a symphony of colors and scents, and she knew that she had found something truly special. With each step she took, the garden seemed to come alive, whispering secrets of the past and dreams of the future. And as she approached the magical fountain, she closed her eyes and made her wish.
I hope with this method, you will start a new way to make videos. Thank you for being with us until the end. Until next time, happy creating!